beach. Where are we? Excuse me. Where are we? On beach. Yeah. Check it out. Beautiful. There's Yongling, yeah, on Yongling Beach near Trang. And there's apparently a cool cave over there as well, which we're gonna go and have a look at. Thank you. Yummy. Hey, do you wanna go in the water?
Huh?
Do you wanna go in the sea?
Yeah, I will later.
Hello. No, maybe not. Maybe fuck ahead. Growling at me. You can take this one. There you go. How am I? How am I?
Wait.
What?
You use your cell phone light?
Both.
Both.
Yeah. See?
Yeah,
What's
I
inside
see.
there? Is it dangerous?
Yeah, it's quite dangerous. We can go to the opposite side.
Really? Oh, you
Yeah.
have to crawl up.
Huh?
You have to crawl under?
Well, I'm too big. Whew, scary. I thought there might be some monster living in the cave.
That should be your home.
Yo, my home?
Yeah.
If I have girlfriend, I'll bring her here. Let's make love in the dark.
Ping,
Yeah.
let's go in the sea. Let's check out what these guys are doing here.
What are they doing?
Looks like they have a metal detector.
Couple of rings and an amulet.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Wow. That's cool, that.
Silver necklace too.
It's got some water inside.
Silver necklace.
Cool. Take a look at that. Do you do this every day?
Nah, just
No.
no. Get a day off.
Do you live close by?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Town. Do you?
No, we're just travelling around.
Okay.
So it's my first time in Trang, so
Frank's nice place. Got lots of good islands. Get off to the island.
yeah.
Kokodan, Komuk. The best islands in Southern
Yeah.
Thailand,
Cool.
in my opinion.
Where are you from?
London. I've been here for 10 years. But yeah.
Oh, wow.
I'm from London.
Nice. Well, good luck.
Thank you.
Bye, mate. Take care. Hello.
เปียกแล้ว
Come and say hello.
ไปรอบแล้ว
Come and say hello. Say hello. No, I think they're too shy. Pink, you can say hello
Hello.
to the camera.
Hello.
There you go. There you go. Penis.
I need to change.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy a new one when I'm back in Bangkok. I want you to try something.
Go on then.
Do you see this?
You want me to eat it, don't you?
You know what? It can eat.
Really?
Yeah, try.
No, are you being serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
You sure it's not poisonous?
No, I'm not gonna kill you. Do you know what it is?
Seaweed,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. It can eat.
That.
The water is nice. It's clean. Unlike in Pattaya.
I'm pretty sure that people in Pattaya or people that go to Pattaya don't go for the beach. I think they go for something else.
Like walking street.
Maybe.
Like hello mister, have room, have condom. I think you should take your shirt off.
Okay.
Yeah. To get the view. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Fat from all this food that I'm eating. I'm fat. I'm fat, aren't I?
This thing you call fat?
Yeah.
How about my belly? Yeah, I'm not fat at all, huh?
Right. Let's go. Ready?
Hello. Hello.
Race it.
Woo.
Still on something.
Are you okay, man?
Say that again. Say that again.
James. James.
Hello?
What are you doing?
There's a little shrimp.
I want you to try something again. You know what it is?
What the fuck is that?
Oyster.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I just
Oh,
got it from the rock.
How did you get that? It's tiny. Look at the size of it.
Yeah, like mini oyster. Well, I want to ask you something. You have to eat it.
Easy.
Easy?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love oysters.
You don't expect this fresh from my hand.
I think this will be the freshest oyster I've ever had. Right from the rock. That's cool. Fuck me, that's good.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey man, what are you doing? Huh?
Looking for some more oysters. That tastes really good. It's as fresh as they come, so I want some
Yeah,
more.
all this rock, oyster everywhere. But you need to have a knife or hammer to get more. You can find it, it's really hard. But anyway, if you really need oyster, I think tonight I will buy you a dinner.
Yeah?
Yeah, you don't have to waste your time here. Yeah, you heard yourself.
And that's why you don't go and search for oysters.
So yeah, let's go to restaurant, man.
Holy fuck. Look at this.
What? What is it? Crab?
Yeah, stuck in there.
Little crab?
Yeah, baby crab.
Baby crab.
Oh well, I don't want to hurt him. Look at my finger.
Oh, shit, I don't like blood.
Why not?
Except pussy blood. That's okay.
Oh, it moves. What are these little things here?
Look like egg. What น่ากลัว
One rule of the beach is do not mess with monkeys because they're fucking scary bastards, aren't they?
It reminds me of the movie Planet of the Apes. Yeah.
If you do something wrong or you look at them or you smile at them, they'll just fucking chase you.
Yeah, and be careful one thing. If you come here at Yongling Beach, if you forget your stuff somewhere on the beach while you're swimming or something, they're gonna steal your stuff.
Really?
Yeah, they're gonna steal your bag, even they don't know what they're gonna do with it. Maybe you have gold, money, yeah, and then in the next day, we will know that they just use your money buy cigarettes in 7-Eleven.
Okay, so we're going to leave the beach now. We've had a quick walk around. That's where I nearly got attacked by monkeys. But anyway, yeah, we're going to head off the beach. I'm going to get a shower because I'm covered in
Sand.
sand.
Me too.
And then maybe get some more food.
Yeah.
Because we like food.
Drunk.
Trang is all about the food, I love it.
Yeah. So we're gonna hunt some food tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, comment, like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye. Follow me.
Yeah. They're stalking you.
Flight.
Yeah, sad thing, the shower nap, no shower head.
Oh look, let's have a shower.
There's no shower head at all. Oh, sorry.
Hey!
Thai style shower. If you want this shirt, we already have a pre-order on our page on Facebook. Go to East Street Repeat Facebook, and you're gonna see a description about how to order this shirt. We're gonna do a big pre-order ก็คือมา Facebook ของเราได้เลย เพื่อสั่งเสื้อนี้ตอนนี้ก็คือ pre-order ได้เลย pre-order เสื้อก็คือมี 2 ลายก็คือหน้าเจมส์และปิงเป็น one year anniversary.
This is the special edition 1 year anniversary.
Yeah.
See how you have. So we have the white version with the East Street Repeats logo. We have the black version with the special edition 1 year of East Street Repeat, and we also have the
Grey version.
See how version.
We already pre-order now. Go to our Facebook ไปที่ Facebook ของเราของพวกเราได้เลย แล้วก็สั่งเสื้อนี้ข้อมูลอธิบายทุกอย่างว่าอยากได้ไซส์อะไร สีอะไร ลายไหน
Logo อะไร
โลโก้อะไร ใช่ ไปที่ Facebook ของเราแล้วสั่ง inbox ได้เลย inbox เลยว่าอยากได้ลายไหนอะไร เพราะตอนนี้เปิด pre-order แล้ว
Okay. แค่นี้นะ
ใช่ แค่นี้แหละ Okay, we're gonna end the video now. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe below.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
If you want to support us, you can click on the website here, patreon.com, right here. And also, if you want to watch our previous videos, we have one here and one here. Thank you.